Hey, what's going on, Crackkamaniacs? Dr. Jason Tirado here. I am here with the famous Maria, and she is a studio owner of a dance studio in New York City, and she teaches salsa and other types of dances as well. And if you're looking to start dancing, you've got to go to her because she owns the most famous studio inside New York City. And she also has an Instagram, I believe, right? So what is that?
Mar Palmieri is my personal, and then our school is Joel Salsa.
We're going to get her adjusted today.
Okay.
All right?
Should I take off my glasses?
Yeah. We'll take. Too strong?
No.
Good.
Just a little sore.
Yeah, right. From all that weightlifting. All right. All right. Drop your arm to the side. Just lean your head to the right. Just going to stretch the side here real deep. Nice. Is that from the weightlifting or is that from the dancing?
Wow.
Look down.
No.
Okay.
It's super sore.
Yeah.
Must be from workout yesterday.
Well, you don't want to go too heavy, right? Because you really put a lot of stress on your joints then. Okay, look straight ahead. Just relax. Let's grab your other arm. Come across here. Right, just like that. Just going to get this lat here. Nice. There you go. Going to come right inside here. So where exactly is your dance studio?
We're on 32nd and Broadway.
Oh, that's cool. Okay, bring your arm down to the side. Lean your head to the left. Ooh, it's tight.
Super.
Let's see that muscle just popping up. Look down. Nice. Look straight ahead. Just relax. Breathe easy. Good. That was easy. Just a little bit of movement to the neck. Just turn left. Easy. Just like that. Just going to try to do gentle movement. Good, let's turn to the right, nice and easy. Good, just like that. Look straight ahead. You're going to take your right arm, bring it back in. Just going to stretch out the joint, just like that. Good, bring it back. Here we go, let's take this one. So you guys closed for 3 weeks in January? Yeah?
Starting this week.
Oh yeah?
We come back the first week in January.
No crazy Christmas parties?
Yeah, we have one coming up the 21st.
Oh, nice. Nice. Okay.
But no classes until New Year.
Turn you to the right.
Everyone's New Year's resolution.
Hold right there. What's that?
Everyone comes back for their New Year's resolution.
That's right. All the gyms, all the dance studios become completely packed in January. Look straight ahead. Just relax. Good.
When do you guys come back? March?
March 1st. All right, turn your head to the left, please. Hold right there. March 1st. It's a little trip. You need the time off also.
Yeah.
Look straight ahead. I think taking off 3 weeks in the dance studio is a great idea because it gives all the dancers an opportunity to kind of rehab their body also.
Yeah.
You know?
For sure.
Could you go like this with this one? Yeah. I'm going to ask you to pull your elbow back in a second. Pull back. There we go. That's it. Let's try the other side. Well done. Just relax. Pull your elbow back. All right, relax. There we go. I'm going to spin off the table. All right. Let me take this arm. Just going to go just like this. Let it drop. Nice and easy. Just going to pull in. Just relax a little bit. A little more. Good. Let's check the other side as well. And just let it drop easy. Just going to come in. Good. Just relax your shoulders. That's good. Let's check the arms. This side here. Just relax. Nice. Wrist. Thumb. Good. And then here. Other side as well. Just relax easy. Good. Awesome. Good. Just relax inside there. Nice. Come and lay face down for a minute. And right inside there.
Cool.
Legs right there. So check your hips for a minute. Is this head too high for you or low? Want to check out these hips? Really out of alignment on that right side. Relax, let it drop. Yep. Just going to do a little massage first, just to loosen up the muscles, if that's okay. If it tickles too much, let me know.
Yeah.
Hopefully it doesn't. You okay?
Yeah.
Good. Just going to hit the glute a little bit. And the hip joint. Is that where you get most of the stiffness?
I feel like
Or
it's more
in the
here,
sacrum?
I mean,
Yeah.
sometimes the hip joint,
Mm-hmm.
like I feel it catching,
Yeah.
but here I feel like this pull, a constant pull.
Okay. You ever do any pelvic floor exercises? Or no?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, you're moving the pelvis all day with dancing.
I feel like my hips are very unstable.
Mm-hmm. Okay. We're just going to do some tapping on these hip joints. Right inside there. Go right at the bottom of the pelvis. Okay. We'll raise that again. Just relax. No more. Good. You okay? Just
Yeah.
breathe it out. Breathe it out. Good. Nice. Good stretch. Good stretch. Let's get that other side. That's why I'm hitting it with a hammer. Alright. And just relax. Good. Just coming up. Breathe it out. Good. Come right back down. There we go. Again. Okay.
Yeah.
Let me know. Let me know. All right. Good. You're gonna feel a little stretch in here. And if it's too much, tell me. Yep. And again. Good. And relaxing here a little more. Good. Breathe in for me deep. All the way out. Let it go. Good. That's fine. Good. Lay down on your side and face the doorway, please, okay? Nice and easy. Nice and slow. Gotcha. Yeah, rest your head right here. Awesome. Okay, I'm going to turn you a bit. Just to drop. Okay? Good. I'm going to slide you down just to drop. Okay. I'm just going to bend this here. Let your hip just kind of fall forward. Even more. Okay. You be in control of that. That's it. Let it go. And that's it. Good. Let's go on the other side, please. Nice and easy. Awesome. Good. Turn your bit. Take that SI joint again. Just like that. Just let the hip fall. There we go. That was your sacrum. Breathe in again. Let it roll out. Let it drop. Awesome. Lay right on your back face up. That was it. Good. How does that feel? Pretty good? Good. Slide up a little bit. Yep. Go up the other way.
Up.
Yep. And bend. Keep your knees bent. Cool. Real simple. Knees. I want you to squeeze together. Good. Scoop, push out. Good. Bring this down. And I'm just going to take this, come around. Any problem with this doing a circle?
No.
Good. Good. Awesome. Let it drop down. A little more. Getting those abs back?
Yeah, trying.
Nice. Hanging leg raises or no? No? No hanging leg raises? No? Alright. Come here and stretch out that hamstring a bit. Nice and tight. Good. Good stuff. Okay, let that relax a little bit. Off the table. Stretch out that hip flexor. That's tight. You okay with that? Good. Bring this back up. Okay, I'm going to open up the hip joint a little bit. Just a little more. That's it. You can open up your ankle joint a little bit more. Good. Nice. And let it go. Good. Nice. Good. Good. All right. Same thing, we're going to do a circle here. Just going to let it go. Just going to test the joint. Good. Feels pretty good. Oh, there it goes. That was the hip. Stretch this out. Just let that go. Look tight in there. Good stretch. At your adductors. Stretch out the hamstring a bit. Awesome, awesome. Just let that go. Breathe it out. Stretch out the flexor now. Just let it drop. Good stretch. Good stretch. Come back up. Just let the leg relax a little bit. Open the joint a little bit. Yeah, open the ankle a bit. Just let it go. Breathe easy. Good. Nice. Let it go. Perfect. Back up. Doing good so far. Nice. Gotta check your knee. That's fine. Good. Knee's good. All right. Okay, I'm just going to stretch out your lat and your shoulder joint. So just relax inside here. Okay, so let's see if this is tight. Good. Have you been working out your back at all?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. You'll tighten the lat. Good. A little bit more. One last time. Good. Awesome. Bring this right back down. Let's check the other side. Okay, so you're just going to let this drop easy. Breathe it out. Nice stretch. There you go. A little tighter on this side. Good. That pops in your shoulder?
A little bit.
Okay. Okay. Right in there tight. Good. Good Good stretch. Okay, come right back down. Feet get a little bit. Lift up your head to drop. Just lift up a little bit. Come right back down. Nice. Okay, I'm just going to slide you a little bit up. Perfect. Just relax a bit. Nice. Okay, we're going to go right inside here first. Just relax, breathe easy. Focus on your breathing.
Should I let my hands?
Hands like this is best. Always best like that, right? You got it. Good. And just focus on the breathing. Good. Okay, we're just going to do a gentle stretch inside here. We'll go real slow. A little bit more. Just going to take it right up to the end a little bit. Just kind of let it go right there. A little bit more. Good. Take it back. Okay, we're going to do one more. Right inside there. Just focus on the breathing like you're doing. Good. And gently stretch inside here. And a little tighter on this side. Yeah. And go a little bit further out, a little slower. Oh, just kind of let it go. Good. Right in there. Good. Come back here. Awesome. Doing great. I just want you to breathe in really deep. And then all the way out. Good. Like that. Make it grow an inch. Good. Okay, just going to check your jaw for a second. I want you to slowly open up. And close. One more time, open. And close. No, that's good. That's good.